In this video, let's see how to manage and record stock wastage in the system. In the navigation bar, click on Items. Then, select Manage Stock. Then, choose Record Wastage. In the Stock Wastage section, click on New Record. Choose the warehouse on the form from which you would like to select an item to record wastage. Enter the voucher date in the form field. Select a product from the drop-down menu. If you want to add any remarks, then add them in the remark field. Enter the quantity in the quantity field. Click the Save button in the form. Please review the details of the stock wastage voucher shown on the page. As you can see, we have successfully recorded the stock wastage. Now, let's see how this affects the stock quantity. Click on Products/Services in the navigation bar. View the list of item name raw material, quantity is 54 before recording of stock wastage. Let's refresh the page to observe the updated quantity. This will show the difference. Please note in ProfitBooks, the quantity is immediately updated once an entry is completed. Notice that the raw material quantity has changed from 54 to 50. This shows the effect of the stock wastage voucher on the stock levels. ProfitBooks offers a specialized report on stock wastage. To view it, navigate to the Reports section by clicking on Reports in the navigation bar. In the navigation bar, click on Reports and then select Stock Wastage under Inventory Reports.